Hello and welcome to my channel, The Phenomenal English. Once again, I'm your communicative English and accent trainer, Suman, and today I've got you an engaging lesson guide. Tell me one thing first, does it really happen often with you that you keep on mispronouncing a word and your relatives and friends start laughing at you, your colleagues start laughing at you, and you fall prey of embarrassment? If that is the case, today I've got you covered. I have got you some important pronunciation tricks that will fix your problem once and for all. Welcome to my channel, The Phenomenal English. What's the basic reason that we often mispronounce English words? The basic reason is that English is a non-phonetic language, which means in English, words are spelled in a way and they're pronounced in another way. They may not align with each other all the time. That is why you often mispronounce English word just by spelling it. You go for the spelling and end up mispronouncing the whole word. Today I got you the exact trick about how to pronounce difficult English words in vocabulary. Now who decides that beauty should be put and beauty should be but? Come on, it's frustrating, isn't it? Now let me tell you the basic reason behind it. There is a thing called IPA. Oh, don't get frustrated again. Don't get scared. Don't get intimidated. The thing is, IPA means International Phonetic Alphabet. That means there's a set of rules and regulations that tells you how to pronounce a word. Now today I'm not going to tell you about IPA. I'm going to tell you maybe some other day. Today I'm going to focus specifically on a list of commonly mispronounced words. So let's move on with our list today. Now firstly we have a word called romantically. See, the word has an A following the C. That makes it C-A-L-L-Y. Now people often mispronounce the word as cully. They start pronouncing it romantically. Similarly, they pronounce practically, basically, physically, which are not the correct pronunciation. The correct one is romantically. It is an A silent word. The A after the C is silent. That makes it romantically. And if you don't pronounce the word in that way, then romance evaporates from romantically word. So do be cautious about it and start pronouncing it in the right way. That is romantically. Similarly, all those C-A-L-L-Y words should be pronounced as cly. Practically, basically, mentally, right? All those words. Next word in my list, oh my god, I often hear people mispronouncing it. It is plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. It is plumber. It is a B silent word. So don't end up pronouncing that plumber. I know you often hear people pronouncing that way and you think that is the correct pronunciation, and which is not. And the correct pronunciation is P-L-U-M-B-E-R, plumber. It's a B silent word. There's another word that is subtle. It is also a B silent word. It is S-U-B-T-L-E, subtle. And it is pronounced as subtle, not subtle. Okay, now it's about the fourth day of the week. That's Wednesday. People often mispronounce the word. They like to say wed-nes-day. They make it trisyllabic, wed-nes-day. But come on, it's not about your wedding. It's not Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Wednesday. It is D silent word. The D after the E is silent and makes it Wednesday. It's disyllabic. There are only two syllables, right? It's Wednesday. There's another D silent word in my list, and that is handsome, right? We often, compliment someone or something as handsome. It is not handsome. It is rather handsome. It is completely D silent. It is handsome. The next word is vegetable. Oh my god, I hear people so recklessly mispronounce it so often. It is again a E silent word, right? So the E after the G is silent and that makes it vegetable. Vegetable. It is not vegetable. I've got a line for you that you can practice to fix this one. That is, on Wednesday, I need to go to the market to buy some vegetable. Right? On Wednesday, I need to go to the market to buy some vegetable. The next one is very interesting. You may have heard the name of the continent called Asia. The spelling is A-S-I-A. But the pronunciation is like A-I-S-A. That makes it Asia. Asia. I belong to Asia. Asia. It's an Asian country. This one is a very interesting one. You often post different things and views on social media and call it comment. Now some people pronounce it as comment, which is incorrect, so it is comment. Comment. Holy mother, this one is freaking crazy because it is cater. That is caterer, but people often pronounce it as caterer. Caterer. It is weird, like it is something bizarre. This is caterer. Cater is caterer. And now another vegetable pops out. That is onion. Onion. That's onion. Onion. O sound as a. It's like the IP thing, as I told you. I'll elaborate that some other day. But just fix it right now. That is onion. I need to buy a kilo of onion. Similarly, you have occasion. It's not occasion, it's occasion. Right? You have occur. Problems occur in life. Again, another one is opinion. Opinion. In my opinion, India is gonna win the World Cup. Nextly, the pronunciation of the, or it's the. It's a bit confusing, and it. Some people call it the, some people call it the. Let's fix it once and for all. The thing is, whenever the the is followed by a consonant, it is pronounced as the. And whenever the is followed by a vowel, it is pronounced as the. Let me give you an example. He's one of the finest singers in the world. On the other hand, he's a great dancer too. So here, when I said one of the finest, I said the because the is followed by finest and F is a consonant, as you know. So it is one of the finest. Now when I say on the other hand, I have other after the and O is a vowel, as you know. So I had to pronounce it the. It makes it more prominent, as you know. When you have vowel after that, you pronounce as the. When you have consonant after that, you pronounce as the. Alright, so he's one of the finest singers. On the other hand, a great dancer. Right, so nextly we have the pronunciation of of. Most of the people pronounce it as of, but it's not of. Have you ever heard someone saying that? Of course, no. They say it of course because pronunciation of OF is of. He's one of the finest players in the world. Give me a cup of tea. Right, and OFF off is off. Face off. I face off. I had a fella, right? OF is off and OFF is off. Next one is singer. Most of the people call it singer, which is the wrong pronunciation. It is actually singer. Like the thing you have, hanger, right? You have a hanger and you're a singer. Both pronounced the same way. On the other hand, you have finger, longer. There you pronounce the G in a different way. There you pronounce G a bit more prominently. The last one in my list, that is suggestion, that people often mispronounce as suggestion. Just try to know the basic reason behind it. When you have an S before tion, you call it chun. Chun. Just like you call it question, right? I need to ask a question. I need some suggestion. Whenever you have S before tion, you call it chun. Question, suggestion, digestion, indigestion. All those are chun. Hey guys, I hope you liked my video, so don't forget to hit the thumbs up button to give me more encouragement and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it already. Press the bell icon to get notified whenever there is a new video, and soon gonna upload another video on this pronunciation. Stay tuned to my channel. Till then, stay blessed. Thank you.